Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we will learn about how can we prevent inheritance in Java. Now, what we want to ask is, suppose we have one class and we do not want anyone to extend that class or inherit that class. So how can that be done? For example, suppose this class, we have class courses and suppose it has method public void course Java, and within this we have some details about Java course. Okay, it's just for fun that this is not anything logical, just that we have one method and we have this statement. Now we do not want anyone to extend or inherit this class. So how can that be done? Interviewer actually wants to ask you this, that how you can prevent inheritance of this class by any other class. Suppose tutorials in hand is another class and we want to extend this courses, right? So this is the keyword to inherit any class. So we are trying to extend courses. So if we try to extend courses, will that work? Now we are easily able to inherit this. You can see we have extended the courses class, but what you need to do is you have to prevent this class from being inherited. So in that case you have two choices. Make this class final, and once you make this class final, it cannot be inherited or no one can create its subclass. So this courses now cannot be inherited. You see there is a compilation error now, and this says that the type tutorials in hand cannot subclass the final class courses. So now tutorials in hand cannot subclass the courses. That means we cannot inherit courses class because it is final. So one answer is you can declare your class as final if you don't want anyone to inherit that class. So this is one way to prevent inheritance. And at this you may be asked cross question later that do you know any class that is final? In that case you must say the example of string class. So string is actually final. If I show you this string class, press Ctrl and hover your mouse on string, click on it, it will open string class and you will see that string class is declared as final. See, this string class is declared as final. So this can also not be subclassed or inherited. So you know one more example of final class which is there in Java, and that is string class, right? So string is final in Java. So remember this. Now we cannot extend this. Let's remove this final and then it can again be inherited. Now there can be another way of stopping your class from being inherited by other class, and that is you need to declare the constructor of this class as private. Now this is courses, public courses. You know what is constructor? Constructor has same name as that of class and it does not have any return type, but constructor can be default constructor, that is without any parameter, or it can be parameterized constructor. If you know about constructors, visit the video tutorial related to the constructors. Here we are focusing on how we can prevent inheritance. So in this case just declare its constructor as private, and oops, we have already declared public and then again we are trying to add private at this. So this cannot be done. We can only have public or private. So remove this public. Now we have declared this constructor as private and now this cannot be inherited. Now see, it will again have error. Implicit super constructor courses is not visible for default constructor. Must define an explicit constructor. Okay, so again the inheritance will not happen over here. So this is how you can prevent inheritance of your class. So if I remove this again, the error will disappear and this is happily getting inherited. So we have seen two ways how we can prevent inheritance. That is, one is declaring your class as final and another one is declare a private constructor of the class so that its object cannot be created and you cannot inherit it. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed what we have taught you in this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.